Where's that? That's where Jonah lives.
Oh, it's not that close, bud.
Actually, this is right down the street.
No, it's not that close.
Whoa!
Totally missed that.
That one had like branches.
Does it get out of the yard?
What is he saying? I saw a
Did Tay take shelter immediately?
Yes. I think he said tornado warning.
I don't see a tornado.
Is that the tornado warning?
Yes,
Yes.
Josh.
Oh, there's no tornado.
But that's
Look at that.
saying.
Look at that.
I know, that's what they're saying. That's what they're,
That's crazy. Look at that.
I'm looking. But
Look
it's
at
not
it.
a tornado.
I know, but look at it. That's so amazing, that cloud. Jump the timer.
Go run out front.
Going up front, going up front.
It's not coming that way.
Get out of my way.
Don't have to get in the closet, girl.
There's a lot of really dark clouds. I mean, all of this up here is stretched out way over there. Oh my God! What?
Look how that color. Can you see the color?
Yeah, I see the color. You can't tell here though.
Who cares if you can tell there? I'm talking about look at it with your eyes.